Those kind of things, a machine can do much better than humans. They can take up enormous amount of data and information and extract out of that information and have results which are much better, much accurate than a human. For example, the record playback, which had a drawback of now being a bad locators that keeps on failing after, I don't know, even a day. You record something, you play it back, or after a day, it breaks, and then you have to record it again. What if you record using record playback and it would provide you with better locators than you would if you have coded that? And of course, the nice part is, what if it's keep on updating it as your application change? If your application keeps on changing, wait a second, right now I need to update the locators. What if I had something that would do that for me? What if I had someone that not just do it for me, actually learn and understand, okay, this ID keeps changing, so it's a random generated ID, so let's give it a lower scoring. Or if there's some text which are actually very unique and it's not being changed, then give it a high scoring. The problem from human is one, we're biased, and one is that our current solutions are mostly based on one selector, one path, one way of actually finding an element. And I think that machine learning is already doing a great job and actually helping that and making that the maintenance durable. Instead of updating, if you use, for example, record playback, instead of doing that again, like updating every day, whenever the UI is changing, if you had someone doing that for you, that would be awesome. So I think that's one big part that I see that we're already doing right now, that we're seeing the maintenance being done automatically. And I think that there's going to be a second wave in the next few months, I don't know, a year, which is not just about the automatic maintenance done by machines, but about the autonomous authoring. Right now, we have to think of what are the best things that we need to find and check, right? We need to make sure, do we want to test that or do we want to test something else? And we have to author that test and implement it. I think that in the future, I don't want you to get me like, okay, it's going to be out I think it's going to take 2 weeks or 2 years. But I think that the future holds a great opportunity to have those tests or parts of that being offered automatically. And the value I see in that, it's not just about the reduction of time you spend on authoring the test. I think it's going to help you a lot in understanding which parts of your application should be tested.